boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. So today I have a fun science experiment for you guys, and it is even going to be a yummy science experiment. So what we are going to do, we are going to make ice cream in a bag. So Mrs. Hanson found this trick that you can make ice cream in 10 minutes. So you're probably thinking, Mrs. Hanson, you are crazy. And I don't know if it's going to work. So Mrs. Hanson might be crazy, but we're going to try it out, okay? So I have some ingredients that we need to use. So what our ice cream is actually going to be made out of, we have a cup of half and half, or so it's half milk, half cream. So I have this, so just a cup of that. You can also use whole milk. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So that's what our ice cream is going to be made out of. So we're going to make vanilla ice cream. And then on the outside, so we're going to put that on the bag. And then on the outside, we're going to mix salt and ice cubes. And when the salt and the ice cubes mix, it makes our ice super cold, like beyond freezing. So when they mix together, it will make it so cold that when we mix our ice cream together, it will turn it into ice cream in 10 minutes. So I don't believe it. Do you guys? I know. We're going to have to see if this works out. So Lily, will you come and help me? So you can put the vanilla down. We're going to do the cream first. So I have this bag, and I'm going to put this bag inside of this bag when I'm done. Or maybe I should do it now. Maybe it'd be easier to do it now. So I'm going to double bag it because they said one of the things is that sometimes the salt can get in the ice cream, and I don't think I like salty ice cream. Do you think you like salty ice cream? I don't think so either. So we're going to put that inside of that, and then we have a gallon bag. So we have 2 quart bags and 1 gallon bag, but our stuff is only going to go in our 1 bag. So, Lily, you want to hold it really tight, okay, because it's glass and it's heavy. And you're just going to pour it right in there. Do it kind of slow. You can go a little faster now. Good. Pour, pour, pour. Good job. Okay, so you can put that down on the table. Be careful. All right. And then we need 2 spoons. So these are tablespoons. So watch me how I do this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to get the scoop, and then you can put it in the bag, okay? You got it? So we have our first tablespoon. Okay. And then we have, let me get it. And then we have our second tablespoon of sugar. Perfect. Okay, you can put that right back into the sugar. And then we're going to do our vanilla. Well, this is what I'm going to have you do. Can you hold the spoon? Hold the spoon right over our bag, so if I spill any, it's okay. Okay, so we have our teaspoon. Yep, dump it in. Okay, put the spoon right there. We're not going to stir it because we're going to shake it. So I have my bag inside, so I'm going to take my bag inside and I'm going to seal it. So that keeps that in there. And then I have my other bag. Hold on, Lily. I might have to stand up. I have my other bag that I'm going to put around it to keep it so the salt doesn't get in. So then, hold on, Lily. Hold on. Because I know, but I'm gonna get up. No, because we're gonna stand up so we can shake it. So we have 4 cups of ice. So I'm gonna put my 4 cups of ice inside my big gallon bag. So I have my 4 cups of ice inside my gallon bag. And then I have my ice cream mixture that I'm gonna put in there. And then I have 1/4 cup, hold on, yes, I have 1/4 cup of salt. It's kosher salt. Yep, you want to dump it in there? So now we got to make sure that our bag is sealed really good because we are going to start shaking this bag, and we have to shake it for 10 minutes. So I'll show you how we're going to shake it, and then I'm going to pause the video because I'm not going to make you watch us shake a bag for 10 minutes. And then after our 10 minutes is up, then we will restart it so you can see our ice cream and we're going to taste it for you. So they said we have to shake really hard. So we're going to do this. Can you try it, Lily? Yeah, keep shaking it over and over again. Shake, shake, shake. All right, so I'm going to pause it and we'll be back in 10 minutes with ice cream.